Moving apartments in Illinois, whether in Chicago or the suburbs, can be smooth and stress-free when you're prepared. Today we'll walk through typical costs, what impacts pricing, and how to make your apartment move easier and more affordable. In Illinois, apartment moves typically cost between $400 and $950 for one-bedroom units. These numbers depend on factors like stairs, elevator access, and whether you need packing services. Several key elements influence cost. If your building has multiple flights of stairs or limited elevator access, labor increases. Tight hallways, long carries from truck to unit, or parking restrictions all add time and cost. The more items you move, especially heavy furniture, the more manpower and hours required. Beyond basic loading and transport, you may add services such as packing your items or providing boxes and materials, disassembling large furniture pieces for easier transport, scheduling moves on weekends or with short notice, which often carries a premium. To stay on budget and reduce stress, label each box by room so movers know where everything goes. Remove items you won't take. Less volume means lower cost. Confirm elevator reservation and truck parking time to avoid delays or fees. On move day, the crew arrives when scheduled with the truck and equipment. Furniture is properly wrapped and loaded. At your new apartment, they unload and place items as directed. Your estimate should cover the agreed time and services. Be sure no surprises arise. Thanks for watching. If you're planning an apartment move in Illinois, keep these points in mind. Know your cost range, impact factors, and move day expectations. Planning ahead means less stress and smoother transitions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips and Illinois moving guides.